The first 5 years of life are a remarkable window, when every interaction, every story, and every discovery helps shape a child's future as a learner. As early childhood educators, we're too often asked to choose between honoring play and building strong literacy foundations. Pinecone Path was designed to remove that tension, giving you the tools and confidence to do both beautifully. Pinecone Path intentionally weaves research-backed literacy development into joyful discovery. Children build rich oral language, deep vocabulary, early alphabet knowledge, phonological awareness, and an understanding of how print works, the foundations they need before formal reading begins. Our approach is grounded in the science of reading and brought to life through joy, movement, and meaningful interaction. In a Pinecone Path classroom, learning happens through development by doing. You'll hear children clapping syllables, singing songs, engaging in dramatic play, or explaining their thinking as they build and create together. Songs, chants, and hands-on exploration turn abstract ideas into meaningful experiences, while predictable routines help children feel safe, confident, and ready to participate. At the heart of it all is the SEEDS framework. We know that trusting, responsive relationships are the primary vehicle for learning. SEEDS qualities like sensitivity and encouragement help teachers slow down, to really watch, listen, and respond with care. When we affirm effort, curiosity, and growth, children begin to see themselves as capable learners whose voices truly matter. The result is something you can see and feel in the classroom: joyful engagement, strong relationships, and children building a sturdy foundation for literacy and learning. Pinecone Path walks alongside you, so every child in your care feels known, capable, and ready for kindergarten. Together, we build more than a foundation. We set them on a clear path toward fluent reading and confident learning. Plant the seeds for your students' success. Join us on the Pinecone Path to kindergarten readiness.